Hello there and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to be taking a look at a tablet holder for the DJI Mavic 2 series as well as all of the other ones. Last week I did a video where I showed you a device holder from Freewell for using your phone on the Mavic series remote controllers, and it allows you to put your phone over the top and it allows you to keep it up out of the way. However, I had a couple of comments in the video about what about tablet and device holders, so I thought I would do this video on this one from Freewell Gear, and it's a device and tablet holder that allows you to use anything, iPad mini, things like this, on your Mavic 2 series, your Mavic Air, your original Mavic or your Spark. And it's like many of the other ones out there, it clips into the handles at the bottom and it allows you to put a device in there from 11.5 centimeters up to 19.5 centimeters, so it will cover pretty much anything that you want to do. So what we're going to do in this video is take a look at it and hopefully give you guys a bit of an overview. So, taking a closer look in the box, when you open it up, you will find that they include two USB cables. They have a lightning cable as well as a micro USB cable as well. Now, I've been using these cables from Freewell Gear for quite some time and they're actually very, very good. They also include a small neck strap as well for holding the device around your neck. And in the bottom, you will find the device holder is folded up, ready to be put together. Now, as I've mentioned, it is aluminium based, so the main base plate is actually solid aluminium, which means it's not made of plastic, it's not going to bend or anything like that. You've got this adjustable ball mechanism down here, so when you undo the screw you're able to rotate it, put it in any position you like, and then when you turn the screw and lock it up, it's nice and solid and you can't do anything else with it. In the base as well, you have a number of holes which allow you to put your neck strap on as well as clip it there or there depending on what you want to do. Another nice thing about this is when you place it in the remote controller and put it in the arms, because the center section is actually empty, it holds very, very nicely. So you can actually put your hands around the grip area like that there and hold it just like you would normally. So I do quite like that bit about it actually. To put the device holder on, you simply take it, undo the ball connection on the back mostly, put it on until it clicks, and then you'll have the ability to put it in the position you want, tighten it up, and then it's all ready to go. And it allows you to put the tablet over the top of the remote controller. And as I've said, you can use a tablet up to a total of 19.5 centimeters when the top arm is fully stretched out. So for me, I'm going to place in my iPad mini, put him on the top like that, and then I'm all ready to go. Now, I did show you last week this other device holder from Freewell which allows you to use your phone over the top as well. So rather than using your phone in the arm grips at the bottom, they also have this one that allows you to put your phone over the top, and you can use one up to the size of an iPhone XS Max like mine, out of its case. Unfortunately, it won't quite fit in with the case in place. So if you were looking for something to hold your phone over the top, Freewell also make this one here. However, if you did want to use your tablet, this is probably the best one to go with. This one is $14.95 or $99, one of those two. This one, the tablet holder Lite from Freewell Gear, is $24.99. So it's not too expensive neither, and it is really, really well worth a look. You can purchase this from the Amazon store for Freewell Gear or the Freewell Gear website, and there's a link to both of them in the description of this video. However, some guys, when I did the review on the other one, did ask me about doing a tablet one as well, so I thought I'd get this one out for you guys. That's pretty much it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. If you like what you've seen, please do subscribe. There's a button down there in the bottom right hand corner, and I will do another video again soon.